Hello everyone, today is Friday, August 10th. It's 4:52 p.m. The regular session for the futures markets closed about 50 minutes ago. On my right is the time and sales, and there is some settlement trades going off here, as you can see. Emini S&P closed around 28:37 or so. On my computer clock you can see the date and time. Pretty decent day for the Autotrader today. Every day I'm going to try to do something educational, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about our line break indicator, which you can see on the chart. So this 34 Heikin-Ashi chart is using our line break logic, and we're selecting 3 line breaks. And on the chart you can see the red dots are a line break signal to go short, the green dots are line break signal to go long. The way we have this set up is the line break signals are filtered by the trend indicators. So that means we can only go short if we have a line break signal to go short and the bars are red. Therefore, when you see a reversal line break signal like the green dots here, this is ignored because we don't have blue bars. So if I scroll back on the chart and we see a little more active area where there's more signals, like here on this trade, for example, this got stopped out, but this line break signal to go long was ignored because we didn't have blue bars. And then finally, you can see it took a line break signal here where we had the green line break dots and the trend indicator indicating blue on the Autotrader. This can also be set to ignore the trend filter, so it would take every line break signal as you see here. So what you could do is you could make this 4 line breaks or more. Now looking at this chart, it looks like my first profit target here is a little bit tight, and what I would want to do here, I have it set at only 8 ticks, so I think it can go a little more than that. So anyway, this 34 tick Heikin-Ashi on the DAX hit its goal at 2,000 and had 1 tick positive slippage. And you can see the equity curve here. We really didn't draw down. We went slowly to the upside here, and then we had this big winner here, and that put us over the top. Okay, the Dow E-mini contract on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart, once again giving us a nice gain for today. This is pretty impressive in that the Dow is only $5 a tick, and this is trading 2 contracts. So we got our first target at 75 ticks, and that looks to be about right as it's catching a good part of the swing here. And then we're trailing our stop accordingly. And the goal on this is 1750, so shy of its goal, but still solid performance and nice signals on the indicators. Okay, some nice looking signals on the indicators on the ES 987 tick chart, and this looks like it hit its goal of 1,000. It had 4 trades and 0 losers, so you can see the trades here, no losers, and our goal on this is 1,000, so we probably hit our goal with a market order. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 8 tick with our line break logic, and this did 940, so we probably hit our goal and had some slippage at the end. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with a Super Renko 6 tick, it's a higher time frame, had, well, it did 700 for the day, and our profit our daily goal is 1050 here, so just shy of our goal, but still pretty respectable performance, a combination of winners and losers here. Indeed, charts do get stopped out. This is the Emini S&P in a 5 Renko, and we had 2 losing trades here, and we were stopped out at our loss limit for 750. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 4 tick did 687.50 for the day, and this one starts trading at 12:30 noon. Okay, the crude on the Precision Renko 8 150 did $960 This is using our line break logic. So this and the Super Renko 8-tick are somewhat similar, but not exactly the same, but they track pretty closely. Okay, the NASDAQ on a really small time frame 2 Renko with a higher time frame filter of a 8 Super Renko did 895 for the day, and the daily goal on this is 1250, so pretty decent on this chart. Okay, same idea here. The ES on a Super Renko 2-tick with a Super Renko 4-tick higher time frame did 737.50, and the goal on this is 750. Okay, a Super Renko 4-tick with a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 2-tick did 712.50, probably hit its goal in a market order. Okay, the Emini S&P on a regular 5-minute chart did 325 and came back from a drawdown of 400, so this trade was good for about 750 here. The DAX on a 30-second line break did 375 after a pretty substantial drawdown of about 750 or 800 per contract, as you can see here. So it was mostly underwater for most of the session and then came back late in the day. Okay, a single trade on the Russell 233 tick chart. Heikin-Ashi, really great looking signals on the indicators. This did 715 on 2 contracts on a single trade. And super excellent placement on the trade here. Okay, same trade on a 377 Heikin-Ashi chart, and again really nice signals on the indicators, but taking this trade here, this is a limit order with a pullback of 8 ticks, so a pretty substantial pullback. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.